Hi, in the last session, we learned how to create time series chart or line chart. In this session, that we are going to learn how to use breakdown dimension to our advantages. It is very much important to understand how we can use these breakdown dimensions to our advantage. Okay. Let us come back to the studio. So, this is the data that we have created before using this breakdown dimensions. Let us learn a few more things. Suppose take for example, so as some of the options that we have seen in add a chart. So this is one, this is uh, time series chart. This is time series chart. So this is the first one that we have used. This is the sparkline chart. We can also convert this into a sparkline chart and or into a smooth time series chart. Okay, here is also we have also some of the options that we have already given. Like take for example, we can use this to our advantages. Like take for example, like we want to use this a like take for example, this is sparkline chart, okay, or this is called smooth time series chart. We can also use this. We can convert a normal time series chart into a sparkline chart or smooth time series chart. Okay. There are two ways that we can use here. Like we can go to insert a chart, or we can after that creating this one, and we can convert here into this. Okay. There are a few more styling options also we will also learn. Okay. So take for example, here also we can convert this into bar chart if we want. Suppose we want to see it as a bar chart. Okay, this is how we can create. Okay, this is there is the series one. There is options. Okay, suppose this is the color that we have selected, like blue color. Suppose we want to make it change it to something like so we can make it change also. Suppose we want to see the cumulative, so we can see the cumulative. Okay, okay, let us not select. Okay, so show data label. Suppose we want to see the data labels, data label also will come. Okay, so all these things we can use to our own advantages. Okay, let us not bring any changes. Okay, so let us not see. This is how we can use this. Suppose we want to see a trend line. Take for example, what is the trend line is here. Okay, suppose there is certain kind of trends, kind exponential line. We can also see it. Let us not use it for now. Okay. So basically that let us come back to the smooth chart. Take for example. So let us use line series. Okay, this is the time. This is the chart. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll just let us expand it for better visibility. Okay. So what we will do, this is the what dimensions that I am using here. Okay. Let us check. So our order date, I am taking dimensions as order date, and I am taking metric as sales. So what this drill down option is all about. This drill down option is available for each and every visuals in our studio. Basically, this Google Data Studio. Okay, we can see. Suppose I want to see. I do not want to see a single line. Okay, this is the single line. So this single line represents sales. I want to see the region wise. So how many regions are there? We have one like central region. There is one southern region, northern regions, like that. Three regions. I want to see it as three lines, three different lines, and I want to make a comparison between these two. So for that, so how can I convert this single line into three different lines? So what I will do, so here we have drill down dimensions under dimensions. So we have selected here order date. So now we will select here. We'll switch on it. It is just let us put it on. Okay. So then under add breakdown options, let us bring region. Let us bring regions. Okay. So let us wait for the data to load up. So this is how it can look. Okay, this is how it can look. So there are three lines. This the bluish line, blue line is for central. This southern is light blue, and northern is something this. Okay. So this is how we can convert this into. Uh, so whatever data is there, it may be time series data, it may be any other, like take for example every subcategory wise data. We can also make a comparison by using drill down options. Okay. So we can see, we can bring the cursors here, quarter 3 2012. The central is nothing, and also southern performance is not, but north region has performed well as far as sales is concerned. Similarly, if you come to this year 2014 quarter 2, okay, so south north, their performance is 0, whereas central region has performed well as far as sales is concerned. Okay, so we can go for this. Okay, styling options, once again, if you want to convert a into a bar, we can see this. Okay, so only one is coming. Okay, so we can see always this is some of the styling options. Suppose we want to change the line, uh, take for example all these things that we have seen in the last sessions. Okay, so basically what we have learned in these sessions, we have learned that how to use breakdown of dimensions to our advantages. Suppose in a time series chart there is a single line that we are looking for overall sales, how we can break down that single line into into three different regions wise lines. Okay, so this is how we can use, and there is this breakdown dimensions is of immense importance while we create visuals or make report. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.